How's it going?
Are you the cameraman?
Yeah, I'm the cameraman. Hey.
Cameraman, we come in now?
We have to ask Shane. Shane's the boss.
Shane, can we go in now? Obviously not.
Let's go Brown here. We just finished building a skate ramp. We moved it from Nelson, one side of the top of the South Island, to Picton, where it's gonna stay. And we currently have children yelling at us to hurry up and finish so they can skate on it. But let's rewind to last week where we started moving this thing.
Welcome to another exciting episode.
There we go, I haven't heard anything. No text or anything, but should be here soon. We're halfway between Nelson and Picton, over the top of the South Island. And any minute now, the truck will be coming over here with all the ramps on it. The two trucks, I should say. Probably 6 tons of ramps on them. And look at this spot. It's beautiful. How do you feel about getting up early to watch skate ramps be transported, Jess?
So excited. No, this is fun. Don't often get up at 5 AM. But worth it for just the sunrise actually.
Yeah.
We don't come out here nearly enough.
Beautiful Picton Harbour, the gateway to the South Island. North Island is that way. And this one's just arriving from Wellington. And the skate park is right here. Right there. It is tight, huh? How are we?
Yeah, ask me in an hour, honestly.
So this is the last tense moment, is it?
It is, yeah. This was the bit I was worried about actually.
It's an existing skate park and we're kind of improving it, adding to it. So this mini ramp is going over this giant quarter pipe, with skateboarding terms of course. That quarter pipe's been there for years, people don't really skate it. It wasn't built that well, so we're essentially covering it with a well-built ramp. This is the part that Shane was worried about the most. So things are a little bit tight here. Ramp 1 down!
Yeah, the easy ones.
The easy. It's the last lift, Tommy.
Wow!
Yeah, that's the back. That's the back, isn't it? Yeah.
Good job, Tommy. Right? That would be an annoying thing to have to turn around.
Yeah. Touchdown.
Woo!
I don't know, I like the colour. I wasn't going to do it, but...
Something different. So this is brown on one side, green on the other. So instead of brown, we're going green. At least on the part you skate. And then on the platform here, we're going to flip it to the other side and make that brown. Because why not?
Yeah, man.
Oh, not too bad.
Going down nicely now. Hey Shane, found our rhythm.
Finally.
Hello.
Look at that. Hey, that's great.
Not bad, huh? And it's broken. So that wind that's been whipping through just hit the track pushed the camera fell into the bowl, and the screen is I just don't know if the footage is on there okay, because I can't actually look at it on the screen. So good thing I have this backup camera here. It's that time of day. Smoker time. There's a line out the door. I think that's you on top. And yep, I got the same as you, but with pastrami. I'll get the milkshakes. Toasty Lords. If you're ever in Picton, I highly recommend this toasty shop. It faces the ferry, the gateway to the South Island.
Gateway to diabetes.
Oh, stop it. Look at that. The main objective here is to get the ramp rideable, because we've got a bunch of skaters from this area and they're going to come and skate it. So we need to have part of the ramp green, at least from coping to coping. Jess saves the day yet again.
Wow, not quite. Sounds like Cannon's gonna save the day. Looking amazing.
It looks good, eh?
It looks so nice.
The gator skin just changes it, doesn't it?
Totally. Oh, so wow, I thought the gator skin was brown.
You get a choice.
Oh, so it's fine on either side.
Yeah.
Oh, the green is so much nicer than the brown. Works with the natural environment. I mean, this view right here, the ramp just scoops straight up into their hill.
Yeah.
They couldn't wait to get on.
That's so cool. To have people standing there waiting for you to put them on. How does that feel?
It's a little bit of pressure, but no, it feels good. It's not, look, you're making fun.
No, I'm not.
No.
Oh!
I am making fun. I know, I thought about naming the business. Making fun.
Oh, bless. I like that.
That's what you're doing,
totally.
yeah.
I mean, to be able to be building something that people are like frothing to get on.
Yes,
Yeah,
That's such a nice feeling.
it is.
totally. See what I mean?
Yeah, I see that.
I just don't want to hit you. Yeah. I know, totally. Yeah. How's it going?
Not bad. It's hard to hide when you got that bad.
You had to put the last one on.
Me?
Yeah. This is your ramp. Last green piece. If Tom here can put this screw in while he's on his skateboard, or try to, he gets a raise.
Oh, what have I hit? Okay, no race.
Yeah, Tommy.
Hey, look at that, eh?
Do that again. Awesome.
Well done.
Tommy. Good work. We were just joking.
I can't believe how
Shane, can we go in now?
So I've been skateboarding since I was 11 years old. Part of the reason I got so into skateboarding at that time, part of the reason was because it was popular, but the other reason was I had an indoor skate park at my house. We didn't have much money when I was a kid. It wasn't like we were rich and we built a skate park. It just sort of happened. We were renting a farmhouse and we had 85 acres of land behind us, and we had a giant shed sitting there, and it had all these beat up cars all around it. First word got around in my neighborhood and we ended up putting little kicker ramps in there. And then word got around in the greater Auckland area. A shop called the Skate Snow Shop had all these ramps. They drove all the way out to West Auckland where I lived, knocked on my door, my mum was there, and they said, "Can we put our ramps in your shed?" And my mum was like, "Sure, just let them put them in there." So I got home from school that day, 11 years old, and there was a skate park in a shed behind my house, and all these professional skaters were skating it. A guy called Zeb Beale, Mal Stewart, amazing New Zealand skaters, just jamming inside my shed. And I had a skate park at my house from that day forward for like 3 or 4 years. It was crazy. We also had a castle on that property. The show Xena and Hercules was filmed at our house. It was a big lake down the bottom of this property, and it had a fake castle built next to it. 2 stories, looked like stone, but it was actually polystyrene. And as kids, we would run down there and like steal swords and bow and arrows. And anyway, now it's a housing subdivision. But they named some of the streets after the show. So there's like Xena Way and Hercules Drive. And the whole thing, the whole housing subdivision is called Castle Heights now. Anyway, I feel like it's come full circle in a way. now all these years later, I'm building skate ramps for a YouTube channel that I couldn't have possibly imagined when I had an indoor skate park at my house.
We had a broken swing. In my backyard, we had like a cement cinder block thing for burning rubbish. We didn't burn it, but my grandfather did.
Were you allowed to do that?
I think the neighbours complained a few times. Everyone was like, Murray, you can't do that.